So above the fridge is the machine right here. And we have all of our controls. Power stop, continue, clean, clear, rinse. I don't know what that does. Ristretto is a smaller shot, long is a longer shot. Decaf, half calf, regular. Here's the... So, I'll do a test shot. Grinds the beans from up here. Decaf goes in there. So it grinds them up and then blasts steam through the beans in a little puck, and then it spits that out into this drawer. Save that one. Here, steam wand for steaming the milk. We've got our sleeves. And we go over to the lids, straws, stir sticks, stoppers, and all the sugar.